Zebra Jasper. Zebra Jasper, formed over 600 million years ago, is a metamorphic rock with a Mohs scale hardness of 6.5 to 7. Made up of calcium carbonate and silicon dioxide, Zebra Jasper is similar in makeup to marble. Other names for this stone include zebra rock, zebra marble, and zebra agate. This stone can be found in places such as India, Africa, and Russia. However, it was first discovered in Connemara, Western Australia, where it was used as a crystal for protection. When this stone is first mined, it is not especially striking. However, after it has been tumbled and polished, it comes to resemble the gorgeous stone you know. Every healing crystal has its own unique vibration and characteristics. Some stones are all about love and developing relationships with others, are better for protection or inner transformation. Natural healers and spiritual practitioners consider the main Zebra Jasper meaning to be about bringing a sense of balance and harmony to the chaos of daily life. Sometimes called the stone of balance, Zebra Jasper will keep you grounded to the physical plane while you reach for hands. If you are one to put things off until another time, then you should have Zebra Jasper around. Another name for this stone is the anti-apathy stone, and it is thought to have the power to help you overcome procrastination and increase your enthusiasm to finish projects and achieve your goals. Using this stone can help to believe that all of your dreams can come true. Zebra Jasper may not be one of the most well-known healing crystals, but it is one that I highly suggest adding to your crystal repertoire. I love the way its healing properties can bring balance and harmony into so many aspects of daily life.
5.
Healing emotional problems is something that many of us work on our whole lives. Whether it's trauma from childhood,
Pan
a
5.
broken heart, or bad habits, our emotional issues often keep us from being the people we wish to be.